And it's your Robin, and we're back with another banger. So tonight, we're gonna be pranking Janiyah. We got some Sprite and Mentos, okay? So basically what I'm gonna do is put the Mentos in here, close it, hopefully it don't get on me. And I got me a Sprite, so I act like nothing's wrong with him. And we're gonna like get her reaction. It's gonna be funny. I feel like it's gonna be really, really funny. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna put this in here. I'm scared.
You better put it in there and close it.
Put it in and close it.
Hurry up. Aubrey, get it in there and close it. Okay, shake it up.
I think she done so we got like the house. Like not outside.
Cause she'll come out there.
Yeah. It's gonna spoil when she open it.
You gotta put two of them in and make it strong.
Wait.
Hurry up. Oh, never mind. Okay. Hey,
no, but
y'all get the picture.
When we go home, we gotta
You
add
can't
one
do
more,
it. You can't do it. It's not gonna allow you. Guys, you get the picture. We about to prank Janiyah. Get her with this soda and the Mentos going everywhere. Y'all stay tuned for her reaction.
Good.
Yeah. What did y'all do? You know, Kyrie didn't play football? Kyrie.
Kyrie and DJ?
What for? I'm interviewing you.
It's gonna go on your channel.
Weird. Kyrie and DJ, they play football. Prince family. And they beasts.
You know that.
Turn to it.
Huh?
Turn to it.
Turn to what? Don't play no music.
The Prince family.
Okay.
But you can't get copyrighted from watching.
You can't?
Oh, I don't know for real. Just mute it and just watch it. Watch that kid run them touchdowns.
Oh, he did it. Move, Aubrey. He did it the right way. Could you move the chips?
Did you drink out your soul?
I drank out of it. Aubrey, could you move? Paul, you want some?
No, I'm good. I got drinks in there.
No. What is that? Don't lie there.
What's that smell?
No, lie there. Give it back. Can you sit down? Give it back. Aubrey.
Football. And it's football, not football.
I'm gonna show you some more kids that can play.
Okay. Well, you gotta watch them first.
I am scared.
Y'all, something, every time I go outside.
What happened?
Girl, no. You better close that bitch.
No. Oh, it's cold. Let me do it. Not that wet.
It'll be alright, I'll wash it. Give you some milk. Try it out, it probably won't do it again.
Hey.
mental unit. I smelled it. When I drink it. Mental unit. You had to do me like that, bro.
You just got pranked.
I was in the middle of resting and doing this. What I did. I was finna just.
How does it feel to be pranked?
It don't feel good because I was actually thirsty. I'm still drinking though. I don't care if that's in there or not. I'm thirsty. Yeah, they are.
You can't be caught lacking here, bro.
Ooh, it's nasty.
You cannot be caught lacking.
Let me catch you laughing.
You can never catch me,
Let me
bro.
catch you laughing.
I didn't really get the reaction I wanted to get, but yeah.
Prank video, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. So yeah, ooh, yo, I'm so funny because I get this chip. But yeah, we're gonna be dropping more bangers back. Well, I won't say back to back, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Okay, we're gonna try. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Good night. Love you guys.